Hello, welcome guys to the YouTube channel Agent Only Blogs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a blocked website, and in order to do that, you have to use the link in description. Open that link and then just type the blank space over here. Here I'm going to use google.com. It's not blocked right here, but because I won't recommend any illegal activity, so I am using google.com to show you guys. You can use any blocked website right here. Only you have to type here, then you get a index down there. After typing, you're gonna open the link from there. What it will do is it will let you access that site using Google servers. It's a kind of way to bypass. So the best thing is actually work like a VPN, quite work like a VPN, but you are not using a VPN. It's quite work like a proxy server, proxy fire. It's called like that. If you like the video, just press the like button, subscribe button, press the bell button here too. Thanks for watching.